Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Enhancing Beauties. I hope you all are doing good. So yes, today's video is all about my hair care routine. Up tak to you would have guessed from my video's title, and yeah, this video is actually demanded by some of you. I actually posted one picture on Instagram. I'm gonna put that picture right here now. Yes, so this picture which I posted on Instagram, most of you asked me that what do I do for my hair, and so they asked me that I need to put a video about these things on my YouTube channel, that what I had done for my hair and what's my hair care routine. So before moving on to any hair growth tips, the biggest reason of my hair growth was the DIY mask that I actually uploaded on my YouTube channel, which I will link it over here. Okay, yes, this DIY mask had worked wonders for my hair. This is the DIY mask in which I mixed egg white and virgin oil, or you can take olive oil also if you want. I have used virgin coconut oil and Patanjali aloe vera gel, and I actually uploaded this mask to get soft and shiny hair. But the ingredients which we have used in this mask is nowhere less for accelerating the growth of your hair, and yes, it did so, and I am so happy. It actually increased the growth of my hair and the length of my hair and made my hair so much more healthier than before. So this is something which I really want to tell you. I'm linking the video right here. Go check out that video first, then come back and watch this video. And yeah, let's move into the video for my hair care routine. So I have actually made a list of what all I do so that I don't skip any step, I don't miss anything. And so before washing my hair, I always apply oil. I basically use this virgin coconut oil of Face Shop, which I have used in so many videos, in which I have told about mask or DIYs, something like that. So personally, I use this virgin oil from I'm sorry, I said Face Shop. It's from Forest Essentials virgin coconut oil, which is extracted without any chemical process. And yeah, always before washing your hair, you need to apply oil half an hour before washing your hair and massage it into your hair and then wash your hair. So this is what I do before washing my hair. Second thing which I really want to mention, while washing your hair, don't wash your hair with hot water. This makes the root of your hair too much weaker than they are, and this will lead to hair fall. Don't wash your hair with hot water. Wash your hair with lukewarm water in winters, and at all the times wash it with cold water if possible. If not, if you can't wash your hair with the cold water, you need to use lukewarm water for sure. Don't use hot water. Okay, for the shampoo, I use this L'Oreal Paris 6 oil nourishing shampoo, which is nourishing shampoo, scalp plus hair with micro oils, which states that it's 6 oil formula for 6 benefits: strong, soft, smooth, thick, shiny, manageable, all hair types. So yeah, this is what I use for shampoo. And secondly, I forgot a point. Make note, while washing your hair, don't take your hair and scrunch it like this and rub it against each other. This is something which you do worst to you. This is something which is so worst for your hair, and which you do to your hair every time you wash. You need not to do that. Yes, I used to do it, but since I have stopped doing that, my hair feels much more better and the split ends have reduced. And don't scrunch your hair and rub it against each other, because that's something which is very bad for your hair and that can cause split ends. Okay, and let's move further. I actually forget things, oh my god. So guys, after shampoo, what I use for my conditioner is this BBlunt Perfect Balance. It's this BBlunt Perfect Balance conditioner for normal to dry hair. Focus, camera, focus on my face. Yes. Okay, yes, this is what I use for conditioner, but sometimes when I apply that mask, most of the times I apply that mask, that is twice a week. And when I apply that mask, I don't use any conditioner, because if you use any conditioner while using that mask, that DIY mask that I linked over here, all the nutrients that you actually like applied on your hair will wash off, will get washed off, and that mask is itself a conditioning mask, and if you like use this chemical conditioner, all the nutrients will get washed off. So that's the reason when I apply that mask, I don't really use conditioner. And sometimes, one more point, sometimes I even use aloe vera gel as conditioner. Yes, I use aloe vera gel as conditioner sometimes. After wash, what I do, I dry my hair using a t-shirt, an old t-shirt, an old cotton t-shirt, but I don't use towel to dry my hair. I used to do that, but we need not to do that, just because it actually causes split ends. You should not towel dry your hair. You should take a soft t-shirt and then dry your hair. Okay, next is always use hair protectant before straightening or before doing any heat activity to your hair. Whereas I use a product which is this. I use this product, Toni and Guy. This is the heat protection mist, and camera, you need to focus on me. Yeah. So this is the heat protection mist, and it says 230 degrees Celsius protection and control. It is 150 ml, and I will link every product in the description part below. And this is what I use before doing anything on my hair. Next, what I do actually to prevent hair breakage to my hair, and that's something which is very important. When I sleep, this is something when you sleep, when you go to your bed, tie your hair into a loose plait and tie the hair till the end of your hair length, and then fold it back. Wait a minute, let me show you how I do that. So I'm not going to tie my hair totally. I'm going to show you how I do. When you have tied your hair till the end of your hair length like this, fold it back once, then fold it back twice, and then thrice. Fold it back and then like put a rubber band on that and then sleep. This way it will prevent hair breakage. Sorry. So this way it will prevent, back to the video. This way it will prevent hair breakage, and yeah, it will accelerate the growth of your hair much more and much better at the night time while you're sleeping. So this is something which I do to my hair. And you need to wash your hair at least twice a week, or if you have ample of time, you can wash your hair at least thrice a week, which is really important, because washing your hair helps your scalp to breathe and rejuvenate, accelerating the growth of your hair. So you need to wash your hair at least twice a week. So to promote your hair growth naturally at home, you can use that DIY mask. You need to do that because that is something which made a difference in my hair growth, in my hair health, and I can guarantee you that it can make a difference in your hair growth too. But you need to continue that hair mask for like 1 or 1.5 months. That is when you'll like notice a difference. So this is all what I do for my hair care, and this is all what is my hair care routine. Nothing much, nothing like, it's so simple and easy. It's something which you need to like include in your daily routine. You need to include some tips and tricks for your hair. You need to look out for your hair health also. And this is what I do. So yeah, and one more question I got from my viewer, that did hair coloring your hair affected your hair growth? No, hair coloring my hair didn't affected my hair growth, but yes, you will like notice hair fall like in in the first or the second day when you get the hair color. But after that your hair growth is so normal and your hair is okay, it is back to normal. So I did not notice any kind of hair fall while I got my hair color. It's really safe if you give your hair in some safe hands. So yeah, that's all what I do for my hair. And if you really want to know something else about my routine, what I do for myself, and if it helps you at any point of time, so you can comment down below and tell me, and I will make a video on the same thing that you demand for, that you request for. So yes, till the next video, I love you all. Please like, share and subscribe this video and take the part in the giveaway which is going on in the video that I will link it over here or here, I don't know. So you just need to go and take part in that giveaway. And yeah,